Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create a family group on Google account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily do this, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device in it. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you want to do is to open your Gmail application. Now once you open your Gmail application, you can see the three lines at the you can see your profile here. Click on that and then click on Google account or manage your Google account. Now once you click on that, it's gonna take you to this place. So all you want to do is to scroll to where you can see people and sharing. Once you click on that, you can see the first option says your family on Google, and you can see get started. Click on get started, and once you click on that, just wait for it to load, and you can see create a family group. Click on that. Now once you click on that, you can see confirm over here. Just click on confirm to create your family group. So that's it. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video